Good news for small creators like you and I. YouTube released a message on the 16th of September 2025, and this message is a sort of good news for us, for you, and for I. YouTube is testing other features that will get videos recommended with other creators, and it is called collaborations. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what this is all about, how it's gonna help you get more views, and the challenges that comes with it. So go nowhere. Alright, so this is Sylvia, and on this channel we talk about things that has to do with YouTube growth. So if this is your first time, kindly subscribe and stay tuned to our videos. So YouTube released a message on the 16th of September talking about these features that will be included, okay, in YouTube features. We have lots of them, okay. So I'm going to be talking about this other one, which has a creator uploads a video and send a collaboration invitation to other creators through the YouTube studio, okay. So now you can send up to 3 invites to these other collaborators. Maybe their channel is doing very well, okay, and you want to collaborate with them. You can send invite to them, okay, to collaborate with you in posting your videos. Now what this thing does for you is that it's going to make you to be exposed, okay. Yes, you are going to be to get more views. Let's say you are 500 subscribers, okay. With this alone, collaborating with this creators can help you get up to 2,000 subscribers with just one upload that you make. So this is the good news about this whole stuff, right? Yes, but then before it can work, they must accept your invitation. When you send them the invite to collaborate with you, they have to accept it. If they do not accept it, it's not gonna work. Now, once they accept it, their icons will appear next to the video title for all to see, to help you to get more views, more subscribers, and also get noticed. It is indeed a great opportunity for small YouTubers like you and I. But here comes the challenge, okay? Now, the first challenge about this new stuff is that the money, the revenue aspects, okay? Yes, only the channel that uploaded the video will get 100% as revenue, okay. There is nothing like revenue splitting among other collaborators. They won't do that, okay. So if I am the one that uploaded the video, okay, and I invited you to come and collaborate with me on this video, okay, now during the revenue stuffs, let's say the video generated up to a $3,000 revenue, it is not gonna be shared, okay. The revenue comes to the uploader, the owner of the video, 100%. There is no splitting of the revenue among other collaborators that joined in the video, okay. In as much as you gain more subscribers from their audience, in as much as you gain more exposure, in as much as you are noticed, when it comes to the revenue, only the person that owns the video gets to share the revenue 100% by him or herself. Now, the second thing about this that doesn't go well is that the video appears on the uploader's channel alone. So if I am the one that uploaded the video, okay, the video is going to be showing on my channel alone. Now the icons of these other collaborators will also be displaying, but the video will not show in their own channel. You get the point now? So unlike other platforms like TikTok, when they want to collaborate with somebody, you see that they send the video to other collaborators and the video appears in their channels, in their platform. But here, the video will only appear in the channel of the owner of the video. The uploader, the person that owns the video, gets to have the video uploaded in his or her channel. Other collaborators will not have the video displaying in their channel. Do you understand that now? All right. So the third one that is not clear enough, okay, maybe we'll still get to know more, is that we don't know where the views and the watch hour will go to. Whether it's gonna go for the uploader, the owner of the video, or it will be shared among the collaborators. So we're yet to know. It's not yet clear. So if you think it's cleared for you, you can just chip in the comment section and tell us how it's gonna go. But for now, we don't know the views that we get, okay, because even you as the collaborator will also get exposed, okay, you get views, you get subscribers, but then will the watch hour count for the collaborators, or is it gonna be counting only for the owner of the video? We are yet to be cleared on that. Now, if you have anything to say based on this, feel free to comment on the comment section, and I'm going to give reply to that. Until next video, do not forget to subscribe. I'm your friend Sylvia. Bye for now.